When you think of your dream kitchen, you imagine more than just a kitchen. You picture friends and family present, meals and celebrations, and memories being made. After all, the kitchen is the heart of every home. But you also imagine a dream kitchen that's designed to withstand years of wear and tear, and a remodel that's affordable with minimal downtime and family disruption. With N-Hance's unique products, the steps to making your dream kitchen a reality are actually a lot simpler and quicker than you think. The first step is to prep. Cabinets get dirty. Oil, grease, and waxes build up over time and keep paint from sticking. N-Hance's system uses a special proprietary cleaner that removes all of the contaminants that cause paint to peel. The second step, primes. Instead of a wall primer, N-Hance uses a primer made especially for cabinets that block stains and stops bleed-through. Now, when your dream becomes a reality, it's time to make your cabinets look beautiful again. While most professional painters use latex paint, which is made for walls and not durable enough for cabinets, the N-Hance process provides a completely smooth factory-like finish with no drips or brush strokes. Choose any color you wish. N-Hance mixes your unique color with our acrylic polyurethane blend. It's resistant to chipping and peeling. The final step is an industrial-strength clear top coat. Others will use products that take days to dry, but N-Hance cures instantly with an ultraviolet light to create an immediate rock-hard, durable finish. N-Hance's innovative process results in higher quality cabinets, better looking, longer lasting than just painting alone, and at much lower cost than traditional kitchen remodels, leaving you with more money to spend on updating countertops, backsplashes, or appliances. Best of all, your dream kitchen can be done quickly, minimizing any inconvenient downtime so you can get back to the heart of your home without missing a beat. Get the beauty and durability you dream of, and the convenience and affordability you desire with N-Hance Wood Refinishing.